Alright, so it may seem weird, first of all, seem weird when I'm flying, but, yeah, we're gonna be just, tornado EF scales, their shapes. Most importantly, though, we're gonna be testing out its destruction physics, which is why you see a tornado behind me. Anyway, let's get right into the video. Okay, so as you can see right now, there's a tornado over there, walking, I guess, let's say. Most importantly, though, there's the tornado. There's like black smoke coming out of it. Now, this is an EF0, though. The EF0 damage doesn't do much. Right now, as you can see, it's just like walking around a plain patch of grass. But I want to see where it's headed, because if you don't know, there's a village. There's towns and there's cities around this map, which would be really cool to see their destruction physics. Right now, though, as we all know, these tornadoes move really fast, which is why you saw the tornado like over there like a second ago. Now it's over here. But anyway, yeah, let's get into the next tornado. Alright, next one you see here is like an EF1. Now, EF1s are not that special in any way. They're just like slightly more dangerous to, especially mobile homes. But if you guys do not know, this is the map over here, and it indicates where the tornadoes are and where everything will be. And just getting out on that map, we see the tornado has already moved. What? I mean, the tornado has already moved. Everyone should know that. But it looks like it's moving really fast, which is not a good thing, if y'all know. Because that specifically means that the tornado might be headed somewhere. And right now, as we know, that little forest area is a town. Anyway, as the tornado moves, I mean, if you can see that forest area, you know it's headed toward the town and it's going really fast. I'm just gonna go faster. So I also have to go fast. So I'm pressing this thing that helps you go really fast, which helps me keep track on the tornado. Because it looks like the tornado is like, it's really dangerous, because if you look very closely, if you're like just not blind, you'll actually see that this over here is the town. As you can see, there's houses, the sirens. And you can see, look at these poor civilians just looking at the tornado from their mobile homes. I just tripped. Yeah, but look at it from their mobile homes. This is so scary. I feel bad for them. There's actually like nobody here, so I mean, I think they already evacuated. I'm the only one here. Man, why not evacuate, man? Whatever. Anyway, like I was saying, tornado is very hungry right now. It's trying to eat the trees. Not a good thing at all. But it looks like my camera is shaking right now, and I just took away an electrical, but I don't know. Wait, where's it headed? Why am I getting flung around? What is this? Oh, never mind. It's headed toward the... It's just eating the trees, like, bro. Why did you do this? Why are you doing this? Anyway, let's get into the next tornado. So as you can see there, that is a pretty big cloud, like a mushroom cloud. Something? No, it's not a mushroom cloud. As you can see here, this tornado looks huge, but in reality it's not. These are called rain wrap tornadoes because the rain is like covering the tornado. The tornado in reality is actually kind of small, I think. By the way, just so y'all know, this is a EF2. EF2 winds are enough to destroy a whole mobile home and leave no trace of anything behind. It's kind of scary. Oh, whatever though. This tornado doesn't look like it's moving or barely is moving because, I mean, just look at this thing. Look how massive it is. How are you going to measure how fast it's going if it's the size of a literal Home Depot parking lot? What is this? Okay, now as you can see, the camera is shaking, which indicates the tornado is close. But since we can't see the tornado, I can't really actually measure of where the tornado is right now. I just gotta run away. Alright, I gotta hold on. I'm gonna try and see where the tornado is actually, because the tornado is like really dangerous. I'm just getting flung, bro. Oh, there we go. Alright, so wait, no, there's a house over there. Oh, never mind, it's over there. I think you can see that house over there. It's fine. Oh no way. Okay, just so y'all know, it's headed straight toward the town. This is not good for the civilians. No, the civilians are cooked. Dude, this thing is literally gonna impact the whole town. Like, literally severely, bro. thing is finna hit the tornado. This tornado's finna hit the town and say bye behind dip. It's just gonna leave a whole like that field of destruction. A mass field of destruction. Okay, why am I getting just like tripped? Like when I'm in my speed thing, I just get thrown away. I don't know, as you can see, wait, I think this is the end for the town. Hold on. Oh no. Wait. Where's the tornado? Wait. Yo, wait. I think it's probably near the mobile homes. Give me a sec. Oh no, I saw something. Oh my god, that thing just got... Those things getting destroyed. The mobile homes are getting teared up. Why am I getting flung? Okay. Yo, bro, what is that? Bro, what is that? I don't know. Yeah, you know, whoever was wearing those mobile homes, I would not say that they are clinically alive. They're... Stop. Anyway, let's go on to the next tornado. But before, I just have something to tell you. From now on, the tornadoes are going to get really destructive. Anyway, bye! Anyway, as you can see, there's a cloud over there. It's a pretty big tornado. Now, as you can see, this is not like the typical strong tornado. This is an EF3. Not bad, but well, this tornado is like so small. You just look at this. The funnel isn't even reaching the ground. This is like a dust particle over there. No, but it is kind of going fast. It was like over there. Now I headed all the way over there. Wait a sec, wait, so if that was a mountain, it's headed toward the town. Oh wait, no, it's headed toward the town. Oh, it's not good. Hold on. Let me check my map for a second, really quick. Okay, no. So if it says the tornadoes, so that's the town over there. The tornadoes all the way to the left. If you can kind of see it, there you go. You see, it's kind of moving. Those little green things over there are the mountains, so it's going over a mountain, I guess now. It's not a good thing because, yep, it's moving again. Yeah, it's moving toward the town. Yeah, the town is cooked. Just get out of there, and let me see where... Oh, it's already over there! Oh my god, why am I getting flung again? Okay, I guess it's moving over there now, which is pretty bad. But I mean, pretty good to see destruction physics of this. No, my camera's already shaking. Okay, well, the tornado's over here, and the town's all the way over there. It just needs to go over one more mountain. Then you're gonna see the forest. You're gonna see the forest. Wait, give me a second. You're gonna see the town in like in a minute. Let me turn. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, you see that? You see that little road? The tornado's over there, and well, the town is all the way, like literally near the tornado. Well, the tornado is just taking away trees, which is average tornado behavior, I guess you can say. And the town is all the way over there. It's not a good thing. I better check on the town. Sirens, I think. I don't know. Check on the map again. I gotta make sure that the tornadoes is getting closer. See the little tornado's not doing good right now. Look a bit farther over here. Yep, the tornado's getting way too close to the town. Also, if we look really closely over here, you'll see the tornado. The citizens are so cooked. I mean, like I said, they were cooked last time. They really were. But like seeing how thin this tornado is, I don't think it will do any damage on this town. No, but remember, size does not matter in tornado cases. But it doesn't matter either. It matters on your visibility, which is really what happened during the EF2 or EF1. Yep, it's impacting the town, but it's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. Like it's just like not. It doesn't want to. It just gave up, bro. It's just like not doing anything. Wait, no, it destroyed that tree. Like you can see that poor tree without no leaves. Yeah, everything's fine. Not so much. From now on, we're gonna be seeing really destructive tornadoes and big tornadoes. Alright, so just alerted. If I can get over there. There's a tornado, EF4 specifically. Now, you'd expect the EF4 to be really big, because there's another town, but judging by how this tornado is really like is built, this is a new town, I've never seen that before. As you can see, or will not see yet, the tornadoes over there, to the cornfields. Average tornado behavior, so obviously going to be near the cornfields or a place that has barely anything, which is kind of bad because I want to see our destruction physics. But as we can see, the tornado is wait, let me see where it is. You know, can't really see a good clear image of where it's gonna be going. It's really far away from the town that got hit last time. Neither is it far away from a town, because it's actually kind of looks like it's getting close to the desert town, I think it's called, or another town. Wait, so let me get a good image of this. The tornado's over there. It's moving. It's kind of like a rope tornado. It looks like kind of ropey. You can say that, but I'm more interested in the town. See, wait, wrong one. Wait, how do I get out? Wrong one again. Okay, no, wait. Okay, no, this is the one, I think. This is the tower camera that connects to the town that was near us. Just looking at the tornado. And over there, you can see that little forest patch. That's a town. You can see the houses. I think it's gonna hit. It's gonna be fun again. Oh, I literally just jumped over the house. And as you can see, the civilians are just looking at the tornado. I think the siren is kind of scary. Okay, well, as we can all see, the tornado is most definitely not gonna hit the town. It is not what I really want, but it is what it is. And well, okay. Next tornado, as you can see, this is a pretty bad tornado. This is a EF5, and as you can see, this is a wedge tornado. If you don't know what a wedge tornado is, a wedge tornado is a really wide tornado. I'll get a close-up view so you can see it. Yep, there you go. You see that? It's a massive tornado. You know what else is massive? Hello, taper thing. Just kidding about that. Anyway, yes, camera. You can see it's near the mountains, and this tornado is actually kind of. It kind of is like There's the town. There's the grass area. There's the roads. Like, why is there no cars here? There's like no civilians. Everyone just gave up. And yep, the wedge moved. Actually, no. These tornadoes don't move that much, as you can see. They barely move. But if you really look closely, it's I'm being dragged in. Wait. Okay, no, yeah. Now you can see the tornado is over there. There's the town over here. The town over here is getting hit. There's already some mobile homes that already have their roofs gone from the EF2, I think. When checking into the camera, we can see that it looks like it's getting closer to the town. Wait, no, if that wedge tornado hits the town, the whole town's getting cooked. Like, the whole town is gone. The whole town's gonna say, I'm out. I'm gonna dip. These towns are cooked. But that is if the tornado does hit it, which, I mean, from what I'm seeing, these tornadoes are kind of moving in a straight line. And, I expect the tornado to be a bit, yeah, no, it's not hitting the town. Unless it goes diagonal. If it goes diagonal, then there's a 100% chance it's getting hit. We don't want that. See, we really don't want that. Well, I mean, I'm not sure it's gonna hit it. I just gotta make sure it's gonna get close. Oh my god, wait, it's headed toward me. And what did I do? I can see the destroyed trees over there. Just look at the civilians just looking at this tornado. If there were people here, I bet they feel so scared just looking at this thing that's like more than a mile wide, I can say. I saw another tornado. The EF2 was way bigger though. But for this one, we can actually see the tornado in its width. See where it is. Yeah, it's not impacting the town anytime soon. I wish we can see more tornado destruction physics, but well, I guess there's no way we're gonna find that anymore. We'll get out. Perfectly fine that the tornado's not gonna hit it, because we did end up finding the tornado, how big it is. Just one final check. Yep, it's not hitting the town anytime soon. Well, I guess that's gonna end up being. Which is not a good thing because I actually wanted it to impact the town. I want to see the destruction physics specifically. He's not saying that every single time. The tornado never hits though. It literally just hit it toward me. No! No! Help! I'm being sucked in. It's over. I'm cooked. Anyway, just a quick summary. Today we checked out the tornado physics, the tornado shapes, the tornado sizes, and just had some fun looking at the tornadoes. As you can see, these tower cameras over here are really cool because they actually they just truss towers with the red beeping light on them. See though, there were two towns here. This one got insanely destroyed. I'm just getting flung.